Did you know that every single year, over 18,000 workplace fires tear through businesses across the USA, costing billions in damages and, worse, taking lives? Here's the real shocker. Most of these could have been stopped with a few simple moves. Hey there, welcome to episode 8 of HSE Mastery USA, and today we're diving into Fire Safety 101. Don't let sparks ruin your day. This isn't about dodging fines or boring checklists. It's about keeping you and your crew safe from the chaos of fire. Stick around because what you're about to learn could literally be a lifesaver. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're HSE Mastery USA, your go-to for safety tips that actually stick. Last time, in episode 7, we tackled first aid basics. Go check it out if you missed it, because emergencies don't wait. Today, I'm fired up, yep, pun intended, to break down fire safety into 3 key moves: preventing fires, fighting them if they spark, and escaping if things get wild. Let's dive in, because when it comes to fire, every second counts. All right, let's kick things off with prevention. This is your first line of defense. Fires need 3 things to live: heat, fuel, and oxygen. It's called the fire triangle. And if you kill just one of those, the fire's done before it starts. Let's get real with this. If you're working with oily rags, think mechanics, painters, anyone in a greasy job, don't just leave them lying around. Those things can self-ignite when they're bunched up, and boom, you've got a problem. OSHA says store them in metal cans with tight lids. Simple, cheap, and it works. Another big one, welding or hot work. Sparks from a torch can fly up to 35 feet and land on anything flammable. I heard about a welder in Arizona who was smart enough to move his torch away from some scrap wood nearby. Took him 2 minutes, saved his whole site from going up in flames. That's the kind of small move that makes a massive difference. Now, what if prevention fails? That's when you've got to fight back. Every workplace in the US has fire extinguishers. OSHA mandates it, but they're useless if you don't know how to use them. Here's your cheat code, PASS. Pull the pin, aim low at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side. I've done this myself, put out a small trash fire in seconds, and felt like a total boss. It's that easy, but it's that critical. Ignore this, and you're in trouble. Take this story from Illinois. A factory was doing hot work without a fire watch, someone to keep an eye out. A spark hit some solvent, and half the production line burned down. Millions lost, all because they skipped the basics. Don't be that guy. Check your extinguishers monthly, practice PASS, and be ready to act fast. Last up, and this is huge, know your exits. If a fire's too big to fight, you need to get out now. OSHA says every workplace needs at least 2 clear escape routes, doors, windows, whatever, and they can't be blocked, ever. Practice this with your team during fire drills so it's muscle memory. I've got a story that still gets me. A warehouse in Texas caught fire in 2021. 2 workers didn't know there was a back door. They panicked, got trapped, and didn't make it. That's heartbreaking, and it didn't have to happen. So, walk your site today, find those exits, and make sure everyone knows them cold. It's not just about following rules, it's about survival. Let's wrap this up. Fire safety is your daily shield. Prevent fires by killing the triangle, fight them with PASS if they spark, and always know your exits. You're not just ticking OSHA boxes, you're being a hero. Here's your mission. Check your site today, look at those extinguishers, clear those exits, talk to your team. And I want to hear from you. What's one fire risk you're fixing? Drop it in the comments, share this with your crew too. Let's make every workplace fireproof. Next time, we're tackling how to ace an OSHA 10-hour training. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and check out HSEStudy in below for more. Catch you in the next one.